Everyone, I hope you all are fine. Today I am going to start exercise 5.7 of chapter 5 division. The first question of this exercise is arrange 10 balloons into groups of 4 each. So you can see on the board that there are 10 balloons and you have to divide these 10 balloons into 4 balloons. Okay, so we can divide these 10 balloons into 4 balloons of each into two groups. Okay, and then since there are two balloons will be left over, so quotient will be 2 and remainder will be 2. Let's see the question number B. Using the long form, find the quotient and remainder. You have to use long division method and you have to divide to find quotient and remainder. As you know that quotient is represented by letter Q and remainder is represented by R. Okay, so you can see on the board that we are dividing here 42 by 5. So you have to speak table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 six are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40 and 5 nines are 45. So we will not take 5 nines are 45 because 45 will be greater than 42. So we will take 5 eights are 40. Now you have to subtract 40 from 42. So you will get 2 as remainder. So you can see on the board that the quotient Q is 8 and remainder R is 2. Now I am taking third one. You have to divide 64 by 7. Now you have to speak table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56 and 7 nines are 63. So you will take 7 nines are 63 because 7 tens are 70 will be greater than 64. So you have to take 9 times. 7 nines are 63. Now you will subtract 63 from 64. So you will get remainder 1 and quotient 9. Now let's see the fifth question of B. 19 divided by 2. So you have to speak table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. You will not take 2 tens are 20 because 20 will be greater than 19. So we will take 2 nines are. 2 nines are 18. Now subtract 18 from 19. So you will get remainder 1 and quotient 9. So you can see on the board that quotient is 9 and remainder is 1. Question number C is related with word problem. First word problem is Rinku has to paste pictures in his Tell Me More scrapbook. He can paste 4 pictures on one page. If he has to paste 12 pictures, how many pages does he need in all? So you can see on the board that number of pages on which 4 pictures can be pasted is 1. Then number of pages on which 12 pictures can be pasted, you have to divide 12 by 4. So when you divide 12 by 4, you will get quotient as 3 and remainder 0. So 3 is the answer. So answer is thus he needs 3 pages in all. Second question is there are 67 photos. They have to be packed equally in 7 boxes. So you have to find each box must hold dash photos and dash photos are left. This is the question. So you can see on the board for this you have to divide 67 by 7. So when you divide 67 by 7 you will get 9 as quotient and 4 as remainder because 7 nines are 63. When you subtract 63 from 67 you will get 4 as remainder. So the answer will be Thus, each box must hold 9 photos and 4 photos are left. Let's start exercise 5.8. Check if the given quotients and remainders are correct. So in this question, a table is given and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns are given. First column for quotient, then second column for quotient, third column for remainder, fourth column for a formula, quotient into divisor plus remainder. Then this formula is completed here, whether quotient into divisor plus remainder equal to dividend or not. Then you have to find, according to this, quotient is right or remainder is right, or quotient is wrong or remainder is wrong. So first one is 28 divided by 5. Quotient is 5. And when you divide 28 by 5, 5 5s are 25. So remainder will be 3. But here remainder is 2 written. So the according to formula, you have to put all the digits here. Quotient is 5, divisor is 5, remainder is 2. When you add these 3 digits, you will get 27. But here dividend is 28. So 27 is not equal to 28. So according to this, we can get a result that quotient is right, but remainder is wrong. Now second is 26 divided by 3. Here quotient is written 7, but here quotient will be 8, because 3 8s are 24. So we will take 8 time, but here is taken 7 time. So remainder will get 2. When we put the values here, 3 into 7 plus 2, you will get 23. 23 is not equal to 26, so that quotient is wrong, but remainder is right. 3 divided by 7, as you know that 7 6 are 42, so quotient is correct 6 and remainder will be 1. So you have to put the digit in formula. 7 into 6 plus 1 equals to 43. 43 equals to 43. So that quotient is correct as well as remainder is correct. We will divide 19 by 3. Here 5 as quotient is written, but here 6 will come. 3 6 are 18. And when 19 minus 18, you will get 1 here. As you know that the remainder should always be smaller than the divisor, but here the remainder is greater than divisor, so that both quotient and remainder are wrong. When you put the values here, still you will get the answer 19, but this is the wrong way. So here quotient is wrong and remainder is also wrong. We will divide 25 by 6. 6 4s are 24. This is correct. Quotient 4 is correct and remainder will be 1. When you put the value in this formula, 6 into 4 plus 1, you will get 25, and 25 equals to 25. 25 is equals to 25. So that in this question, quotient is correct and remainder is also. First is 46 divided by 9. Here 9 5s are 45 should be here, but here 9 4s are, and here you get remainder 10 when you get 9 4s are. So here 4 and 10 both are wrong, because the remainder should always be smaller than divisor, but here 10 is greater than 9, so that quotient and remainder both are wrong. So that here the formula will be not done, so that quotient is wrong and remainder is also wrong. Match the column. Next question. So here 3 columns are given: quotient, quotient and remainder. You have to match quotient with quotient and remainder. So first is 6. We will match this with 7 divided by 45 and remainder will be 3. Then 5. We will match it by 49 divided by 9 and remainder will be 4. Then 9. We will match it by 36 divided by 4 and remainder will be 0. Then 4, we will match it by 26 divided by 6, and in this condition remainder will be 2. And last is 8, we will match it by 65 divided by 8 and we will match it by remainder 1. Let's start exercise 5.9. Question number A is divide and check your answer. So first you have to divide and then you have to use formula dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder for checking the division. So first you have to divide 42 by 2. So here 4 is greater than 2. So you will divide 4 by 2. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 4 will be 0. Take 2. Then 2 1s are 2. 2 minus 2 will be 0. So you are getting quotient 21 and remainder 0. Divisor is 2 and dividend is 42. When we put all the values in formula, we will get 42 equals to 2 into 21 plus 0. When you multiply 21 by 2, you will get 42. Means here 42 is equals to 42, so that quotient and remainder are correct. Now I am taking fourth one, 50 divided by 5. Here 5 is equals to 5. So first we divide 5 by 5. So 5 ones are 5. Then 5 minus 5 will be 0. Take 0. Then 5 zeros are 0. So quotient is 10. Divisor is 5. Remainder is 0. And dividend is 50. Now we will put all the values in formula. So we will get 10 into 5 plus 0. 10 into 5 plus 0 will be 50. Then 50 equals to 50. So that quotient and remainder are correct. Now let's start 7th question. You have to divide 89 by 8. So here 8 equals to 8. So we will divide 1 time 8. So you will get 8 ones are 8. Then 8 minus 8 0. Take 9. So again you have to divide 1 time. 8 ones are 8. 9 minus 8 will be 1. Now you have to put the values. Divisor equals to 8. Dividend 89. Quotient 11 and remainder 1. Put all these value in the formula. Then multiply 11 and 8. You will get 88. Then remainder is 1. So you have to add 1 in 88. 88 plus 1 equals to 89. So here 89 equals to 89. So quotient and remainder are correct. Now 10th one is 707 divided by 7. Here 3 digit number 707 will divided by 1 digit number 7. So here you can see that in 707 the first digit 7 is equal to 7. So we will take 1 time. 7 ones are 7. Then 7 minus 7 will be 0. Then next digit is 0. So take 0. 7 zeros are 0. Then next digit is 7. Then again 7 ones are 7. Then 7 minus 7 will be 0. Now here quotient is 101. Remainder is 0. Divisor is 7 and dividend is 707. So put all these value in the formula. So 107 multiplied by 7 you will get 707, and when we add 0 in any number we will get the same number. So here we will get 707 equals to 707. In this condition quotient and remainder are correct. Now 13th one is 807 divided by 4. So first you will divide 8 by 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. Then take 0. 4 zeros are 0. Then take 7. 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 will be 3. So here we are getting quotient 201. Remainder is 3. Divisor is 4 and dividend is 807. So 804 you are getting by multiply 201 and 4. Okay, so you will get 804. You have to add 3 which is remainder in 804. 804 plus 3 will be 807 and 807 is dividend. So that 807 is equals to 807. So that quotient and remainder are correct. This way you have to divide and check your answer. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.